Hey, you just threw that rock at me.
Too slow, he said.
Okay, speed up. Run, run, Morgan.
Whoa.
Yeah.
When Morgan's with you, you don't need anything.
But that's too many rocks, Morgan.
Whoa. Oh, Mommy.
Oh, good one.
Are you coming, Moggy?
That's it.
Here. Morgan, are you listening?
Oh, shoot.
Come this way. Come get a treat from Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's slippery.
Slippery, yeah.
There's a snack.
Daddy has a snack for you. Let's go get it. Can you show me your snack, Moggy? Is it yummy? Yum. Nick. Okay, careful, Moggy. Watch your step.
This way.
Whoa.
We'll be sick. Like this.
Let's go, Moggy.
No.
Why not? Like a little bird.
Morgan?
It's like picking up the stuff from you. He's trying to stuff a smudge
Put
in his
everyone
mouth.
into his mouth.
Yeah.
You want some?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. So it's a 2.5 kilometer hike. So it should take you 2.5k to get to the top and 2.5k to come back. So overall, the actual entire hike is 5k. We've only done 1k at the moment, and I'm so happy. Morgan has been really good. You know, he's been walking, just having fun in the dirt. Right now, we just took a break by this water body thing, and he's throwing rocks in here. Morgan, let's go walk on the bridge.
This way, Morgan.
That's big fat. Daddy, watch.
I see.
So we made it. This is the end of the trail. Now to enjoy the view. I'm so excited. Oh, look at the bird. Yeah. Oh, look over there.
Birds?
Yeah, see them? The little ones that he was talking about? Look at that one. Which one is that one?
Oh, that's a blue jay.